so packed. I thought they were having the sale today, but I guess not. I think I'm gonna go over to Nordstrom's and just see what type of facial cleansers that they have over there, and then I'm gonna call it a night. I tried to go to the Sephora sale, but girl, ain't no sale right now. Now, okay. Appreciate your help too. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Hey y'all. Hey. Yeah, so I'm gonna be reviewing the Charlotte mascara. Yeah. Okay, I want to put a disclaimer out there. This video is not being sponsored by Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm just giving my own personal review. This is my first time trying this product. I also purchased some more things, but I want to try their lash stuff, mascara. So I'm gonna put some on. I'm gonna be all up in the camera. If y'all don't know, I do have a vision problem, and I'm not using my vision problem as an excuse for being up in the camera. But yeah, I'm just using the camera for my mirror. I do have a mirror, but I just want y'all to see me putting the mascara on. And I think I'm gonna like this. I may add other mascara to this, but let me see if I get that top eyelash glam look. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna have to grab my square mirror right here. Do I like it? Honestly, it's not giving me that, you know, that curve. This is like a light. I would say I would use this mascara if I have on some false lashes, maybe to blend my real lashes into the false lashes. But I'm not getting a thick, you know, consistency. When I put on mascara, I love a thick consistency. Like, I want to see like the mascara, but this is like light, so I can't see that I have the mascara on my lashes because it's so light. Or maybe I'm doing it the wrong way. Let me see. But it's light filling, and it's too light filling for me, like, but it'll give you that natural look. I don't know if you can tell, like, you know how you put on some mascara, you can tell that a person has a mascara. Like, that's the type of mascara I like. This is just too light for me, and I honestly don't feel like I have on mascara. But maybe this mascara was made this way to feel light, and I think that that's completely okay. But let me put some lashes on with this. Maybe in another video I'll have to put on some lashes and blend it in and all that good stuff. Okay, we running out. Okay, I think that'll do. I should have been put this on before I put on anything, okay? I need to put on some type of eyeshadow. I think I want to go with like a light colored eyeshadow for this. With this mascara, I'm gonna just dab some on. My lightning is not so bright up in here. I'm going to go in with a little bit of foundation before I put on the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I'm going to just play with some foundation. Let me move my hair out the way. So I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night long. Stay on all day. Setting spray. Ooh, and it smells like perfume. It smells like perfume, y'all. It's light. I like it. And when I open my eyes, it doesn't burn my eyes or anything. Like, it's light, it's perfect, and it's supposed to let your makeup last all day. And then I'm going to go in with some Charlotte's lipstick. So I'm going to use the camera as, you know, my mirror. Okay. I think this, you know, goes with my chemistry. I can also like blend in some other lipsticks with this. I like it though. I love it. Just love it. It's perfect. It fits my chemistry. I really feel like it fits my chemistry. I would say they need some green lipstick and some red lipstick so I can go back and buy some more products. Now y'all don't talk about my makeup. This was just to put on some makeup. So today, one of my friends gifted me this handbag. It's a off-white, like a creamy vanilla colored white bag. I love that it has two zipper compartments. I love that it has two zipper compartments in the front, and it's pretty like spacious. I could put like my cell phone, money, change, and then up here it also has a compartment as well. And then in the inside, I need to clean the inside because my friend was like, girl, you got to clean the inside of this bag. I was like, don't worry about that. Thank you for the bag. You got this little compartment here with the zipper. And it's pretty, you know, spacious inside. I just love it. It's my style. I was telling my friend, I said, girl, just imagine if this handbag was pink. Like, if you find another handbag like this, let me know. She's like, okay, you like the color pink? I said, I love a pink handbag. I love red. But yeah, this is my style. I can put everything in here, like my cell phone, my wallet, my camera, my tripod. It just fits. Sometimes I just love a big bag where I can fit everything in here, like everything, okay? My wigs. Like, everything is in my bag. But right now, y'all, I'm just in my little bag. You know, like small bags like this. Love it, okay? And my red handbag, which is up there. And then I was also gifted some slippers. Where's my other slipper at? See, I'm losing stuff. Okay. So I was also gifted these black slippers, something that I love. Kind of similar to some slippers that I purchased a while back. They were like in a pink color, but they didn't last that long because the material quality wasn't so great. But these are comfortable. The bottoms are very comfy and it has a grip on it. So, but I'm only use these like walking around in the house. I'm not going to go outside in these. And I was gifted this black stretchy shirt. My type of style. I love stuff like this. Then I can wear jewelry with it. you would want to put under this like a undershirt or something because it is see-through, you know what I mean? So yeah, but I just love this type of style. You see what I have on right here? But I want to find something that has polka dots in it this summer, like a polka dot dress or a top with a polka dot collar or something like that. Some polka dot clip-on earrings. Like, I love stuff like that, y'all. I love stuff like that. But yeah, I was so happy my friend gifted me those things because her daughter was throwing out clothes and stuff. So she was like, oh, I'm gonna give this to my friend. So I was like, yeah, let me know. My friend was so nice. And I'm one of those friends too. Like, if I'm getting rid of stuff and I think that you might need something, I'll ask you, hey, would you like to have some of this makeup or some of these clothing before I throw it away? And if not, then I'll just throw it away. I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. I have the worst filming setup in my shower. Okay, it is so budget bootleg. I can't even say it's so budget bootleg. What is budget bootleg? But I have no shelves inside of my shower. Okay, you know, like those built-in wall shelves. I have none of them. So my new house, when I move, I want to have the built-in shelves in my showers. So yeah, this is just some shampoo bottles holding y'all up on this tripod. It's a 3-legged tripod, but I had to close it because it's on like this little shelf that I have on my wall in my shower. But I just wish I had the built-in shelves. Yeah, so I thought I'd tell y'all that, okay? Because I be struggling trying to vlog and shower, okay? It's a struggle, okay? It really is. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Magic Night Cream. And I'm so excited to try this. The consistency is so thick. It's creamy. It's like a icing type of filling. You know, icing for the cake. Okay, y'all, so I'm loving the slippers. They are a little too small, but I'm gonna just be wearing them in the house, and they are comfy, and that's all that matters. And I like them. Love them, love them. Let me make my plate now. Hey y'all, it's a little later in the night. Well, it's actually really late. But anywho, I'm noticing that I be getting tired. Some nights I can stay up late, but lately, y'all, I've been getting tired. And let me tell you, after making dinner tonight, I made a spinach chicken salad with Caesar dressing. But anywho, I got on my phone and I turned on YouTube. So I was catching up on a few vlogs that I watch on YouTube, and then I watched the news, and I spent like 2 hours, okay? Just catching up, okay? And now I'm tired, and it's approximately 12:21 midnight. But thankfully, I'm off work tomorrow, so I don't feel guilty staying up late, right? But if I had to get up for work in the morning, yes, I would be asleep right now. But I can stay up a little bit late, you know, because I'm off work. So, yeah. But anywho, it's late. It's past midnight. Okay, my keyboard is not working. I do not want to purchase another keyboard. I don't know, my tablet, it's frozen. Something's going on, y'all. I need to lay my butt down. I've been up creating this content for y'all so that y'all will have a vlog, okay? I've been on my daily vlogging hype lately, y'all. I seriously have. Like, I had to go back and recap all the vlogs that I've uploaded because I just been consistent. I've been being creative and just vlogging, and hopefully y'all like the content that I'm uploading. Hopefully y'all will give my videos a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially if you enjoy the content that I upload here on YouTube. Please feel free to subscribe so that you will not miss a vlog. But I'm gonna let y'all know right now, your girl is tired. I'm gonna have to pick the camera up tomorrow and vlog. And I just want to wish y'all all a good night. Thanks for stopping by. But your girl got to go to bed because she tired. And I'm about to lay my butt down. But until then, I will see y'all next time in the next vlog. I would talk some more, but I am really tired. Yeah, I need to get out of the camera. I need to get out. But we'll talk later. See y'all later. Bye.